All right, let's shift focus now to another round of breaking update. And here, as far as, is there a thaw now in Tharoor Congress ties that we are looking at amid buzz of growing rift and differences? Here is a big remark that has now come in from the Kerala LOP saying that it will be Shashi Tharoor who would be leading the UDF's campaign and will be playing a key and an active role when it comes to the Kerala Assembly elections. And Tharoor would be leading the UDF's campaign. And Tharoor, however, was present in the meeting with Rahul Gandhi. And this seems to be, as far as the statement that is now coming in, where Congress leader Shashi Tharoor, who met party president Mallikarjun Kharge and leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi amid speculations of rift between him and the party leadership. And Arpita, at that point in time, he had asserted that all is good and he was on the same page as the Congress leadership.
Well, yes, since last few days there have been topics where people are saying that Shashi Tharoor was very unhappy with what happened when Rahul Gandhi was in Kochi, when Rahul Gandhi did not mention his name while addressing the people there. He mentioned all other Congress leaders except Shashi Tharoor's name. In fact, when we tried to talk to Shashi Tharoor, he said that whatever differences he has within the party, he will talk to the higher officials there. He doesn't wish to give details to the media, is what he said. Later, he was seen, he and Kharge with Rahul Gandhi, and after he came out of the meeting, he said all is well, everything is okay and everything is positive. Now, today, V.D. Satheeshan has clearly made a point that Shashi Tharoor, in fact, last few days, V.D. Satheeshan has been making this point that everything is well within the party. All these leaders have good connection, and whatever issues are there that we
as
will
far as when it comes to such statements that has now been coming in, and the role that Shashi Tharoor will be taking up with the upcoming assembly elections in Kerala. Here is V.D. Satheeshan, his reaction coming in that Tharoor himself would be leading the Congress campaign in the state of Kerala.
He was also there in the Rahulji's meeting in Kochi also. He will be in the front row of the campaign initiated by the UDF in Kerala for the elections. You know that he is a world citizen, he is a non-writer, he is having a space among the people. So he will be in the forefront for fighting this election. He is also part of the Congress party in Kerala. He will be more active in Kerala because of the election. The next 2 months he will be here. And almost we are trying to take him to all the 140 constituencies in Kerala.
So that seems to be the assertion coming in that Shashi Tharoor would be at the forefront of the campaign initiated by the UDF in Kerala for the election, saying that he is a global citizen, a writer, and enjoys a strong connection with people and therefore would be playing a leading role in this election season. However, Dr. Shashi Tharoor himself, meanwhile, has said, and he has acknowledged certain issues that they were there to be discussed with the party leaders. Here's what he said.
Did you discuss that you were upset and they were also upset? Did you?
With the meeting, what were discussed?
Very satisfied. Very satisfied.
You were satisfied now? So you were not happy because after the Kochi incident...
Did you discuss that you were upset and they were also upset? Did you?
With the meeting, what were discussed?
Very satisfied. Very satisfied.
You were satisfied now? So you were not happy because after the Kochi incident...
So does it mean that all the differences have now been sorted? We'll talk about that much in detail coming up.